Keyword research is a very important part of the digital marketing strategy overall, let alone SEO. But how to do the appropriate keyword research for your niche? Well, we will be looking at these questions in today's discussion. But before we do that, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from BioRev Digital. So let's get started. Most search engines use crawling to check the consistency of a website concerning the most important keywords. To be clear, keyword research is a very important part of your SEO strategy. In the same way, keyword research can help you design your digital marketing strategy. It can show you which sites have the potential to rank. Your competitors are ranking on which keywords. Which content has the potential to rank? Will you be facing any difficulty in ranking your content if you do not do the appropriate keyword research? What is target keyword? A target keyword is an effective keyword which allows search engines to understand what your content is all about. At the same time, the target keywords helps the users find the information that they are looking for. Strategically, using a target keyword helps the search engines see your website in the same way people search for a keyword. Non-relevant keywords are very unlikely to be effectively placed on your website, whereas very competitive target keywords are more likely to be all at the top. Therefore, choose your keywords solely on the search volume and the competition. How SEO keywords are used? By using SEO keywords, you can rank higher on search engines by topic, create competitive market, promote your services and products, drive traffic to your website, improve your marketing effectiveness. Although keyword research is the basis of all SEO efforts, it is worth investing time to ensure that they are effectively organized and put into practice, and this is done through effective keyword research techniques. Hence, keyword research is an important part of the SEO strategy which helps you to identify and define the appropriate keywords for your niche. Similarly, if SEO keywords are put into your website, it ensures that those keywords drive more traffic to your website. So how does keyword research work? Keyword research works first by finding the appropriate keywords for your niche and then embedding the LSI keywords into the content. These LSI keywords helps the search engines to understand the context and the relevance of your content to the search terms that are being used by the users over the internet to search for a particular content. The main keyword sends a signal to the search engines that the content is related to something what is being searched for, and hence it helps in ranking higher in the search results. However, the base of the keyword research strategy is to embed the keywords in the title. Hence, we see that keyword research is a very important strategy in our overall SEO strategy, and it forms the basis of it. Also, we should keep in mind at what point in time we can rank for a particular keyword. Also, we should understand their difficulty levels to identify at what point in time we can rank for a particular keyword. So friends, I'm sure this video might have added some value to you, and you must have received some answers to the questions that you were pondering upon for quite some time. Please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to BioRev Digital to not miss any important video that we would be posting here. So friends, see you soon again. Till that time, stay happy, stay safe, stay tuned to BioRev Digital.